up from the top, hit restart. So far it's been so hard to live, but lately something in me changed, 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 changed. Let it go, let it be. Don't fight your way back in. Let me go, let me be. It's time that we begin. Welcome to a new life, dripping in gold
We don't make. But a lot of the things we do, when we prep, there's a lot of things that go into making and preparing a lot of the ingredients we make.
Got me feeling like I care. Shyer than I can admit. Cover me in lilac, no
found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I end up next on the corner of hope.
Yeah, it's good.
So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. Feels like my bed is on fire